Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Fungi thrive when nighttime temperatures climb above 60 degrees and humidities climb above 90%. And that's what May has given us in central and eastern Oklahoma. A map of peanut leaf spot infection hours over the last 2 weeks of May shows that even in the west there were peanut infection hours. The green areas range from 30 to 70 infection hours. The yellow areas were near 80. The red areas were above 110. For peanuts, anything above 36 hours increases foliar disease risk. Few farmers grow peanuts in the state, but the peanut leaf spot hour and pecan scab hour maps give us an indication that air temperatures and humidities are ripe for fungal plant attack. One of the hot spots for plant disease risk in May was bowlegs near Seminole. A chart of air temperature and relative humidity over the last 7 days of May showed nighttime temperatures, the red line, didn't drop below 65 most nights. Each night, the humidities, the blue line, were above 90% and for a number of hours close to 100%. Make sure you stay on top of plant disease risk. Here's Gary with a check on rain and drought conditions.
Thanks, Alan. Good morning, everyone. Well, it's been a pretty eventful May. We've had the hottest May on record in the state of Oklahoma, about 6.5 degrees above normal, and beating the old record of May 1962 by nearly a half a degree. So very hot. We have had some drought relief, but of course those temperatures don't help matters. However, we do have an improving drought monitor map, so let's get straight to it and see what we have. We continue to lose that extreme and exceptional drought area up in the northwestern part of the state and also down into west central and southwestern Oklahoma. So improvements there with each little bit of rainfall that we've seen. Some big rainfalls, mostly little bits here and there. Unfortunately, we also see that abnormally dry, which is D0 or the yellow color, starting to creep into far northeastern Oklahoma and also east central and far southeastern Oklahoma. So the Mesonet rainfall totals for May, at least through the 30th, we do see widely varying amounts, which is the usual case for convective precipitation. Up in Woods County alone, we have 2.9 inches in Freedom and 7.8 inches in Alva, and that's a pretty close area with a very large difference. And compared to normal, that's just as varying, but we do see those areas in northwestern Oklahoma, still the core of the worst drought area, but also transferring up into the far northeastern and southeastern corners, and a little bit there in east central Oklahoma. So the May precipitation maps do tell the story. So May was a hit for some and a bit of a dud for others. We're still in the prime rainy season here as we go through the first couple of weeks of June, so we have to hope something develops to knock some more of that drought out before we hit the deep heat of summer. Some would say we already have during May, but it can get much hotter during July and August. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.